Good morning, this is Deepak. Today I come with a very short talk about successful people become go-to players. That means they produce results. Any winning team have players who make things happen. That's always true whether in sports, business, government, or some other arena. Those team members who can make things happen are their go-to players. They demonstrate consistent competence, responsibility, and depending. When I think of go-to players, I mean people who always produce. There are different kinds of people in the workplace. You can measure them according to what they do for the organization. Some people, sometimes they deliver. They are average. Some always deliver when in their comfort zone. Valuable people. Some always deliver regardless of the situation. They are invaluable. Go-to players are the people who find a way to make things happen no matter what. The pressure doesn't hinder them. In fact, if anything, the more pressure there is, the better they like it. They always produce when the heat is on. Organizations have only three kinds of people when it comes to momentum. There are momentum breakers, people who sabotage the leader or organization and actually sap momentum as a result. These people have terrible attitude and represent the bottom 10% of the organization. The second group is comprised of momentum takers, people who merely take things as they come. They neither create nor diminish momentum. They simply flow with it. These people represent the middle 80%. The final group is the momentum makers, the people who move things forward and create momentum. These are the leaders in the organization and comprise the top 10%. These momentum makers make progress. They overcome obstacles. They help move others along. They actually create energy in the organization when the rest of the team is feeling tired or discouraged. If you are a heavy load lifter, it is really an attitude issue, not a position issue. If you have the willingness and capacity to lift the load of your leaders when they need it, you will have influence on them. There was a small sign outside a business house that read 57 rules to deliver the goods. Beneath the title, it read, Rule 1, deliver the goods. Rule 2, the other 56 don't matter. That's the philosophy of a go-to player. They deliver no matter how rough the situation is. If you adopt the positive attitude and tenacity of a go-to player and take every opportunity to make things happen, you will probably perform better in any circumstances. And if you do, your leader will come to rely on you, and the people will rely on increase their influence and credibility every day we work with them. It's better for you to become a go-to player. It will help you in the organization. It will help the organization and together both can grow. Thank you so much for listening.